Welcome to the comprehensive guide on blood collection techniques for medical tests. Understanding the precise methods of collecting blood from veins is crucial for accurate diagnostic procedures. Blood collection from veins is a fundamental aspect of medical practice, essential for conducting tests like the CBC, diabetes screening, and ESR analysis. For a CBC test, proper blood collection ensures reliable results for assessing red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets in the bloodstream. In diabetes blood collection, the process focuses on measuring glucose levels accurately, aiding in the diagnosis and management of diabetes. ESR tests rely on precise blood collection techniques to evaluate inflammation levels in the body, assisting in diagnosing various conditions. Medical professionals and healthcare students benefit from mastering the art of blood collection, ensuring patient safety and diagnostic accuracy. Accurate blood collection techniques are the cornerstone of reliable test results, guiding healthcare decisions and treatment plans effectively. Understanding the nuances of blood collection methods enhances the quality of patient care and contributes to improved healthcare outcomes. By mastering blood collection procedures, healthcare professionals ensure precision in diagnostic testing, benefiting both patients and medical practices. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of blood collection techniques for various medical tests, empowering you with essential knowledge for clinical practice. Proper blood collection is not just a procedure, it's a vital step towards accurate diagnoses and effective patient care in the realm of modern medicine. Join us on this educational journey as we uncover the significance of blood collection techniques in the realm of medical testing and diagnosis. The meticulous process of blood collection from veins plays a pivotal role in the healthcare system, ensuring precision and reliability in diagnostic evaluations. As we explore the different facets of blood collection for medical tests, remember that each step contributes to the accuracy and efficacy of healthcare interventions. Enhance your understanding of blood collection techniques, from the basics to the advanced, and elevate your proficiency in medical procedures and patient care. Knowledge is power in the realm of healthcare. Mastering blood collection methods empowers healthcare professionals to deliver optimal care and treatment outcomes. Thank you for embarking on this educational journey with us. Together, we unravel the intricacies of blood collection for medical tests, shaping a brighter future in healthcare. Stay informed, stay skilled, and stay dedicated to the art of blood collection. Your commitment to excellence in healthcare makes a difference every day.